In this video, we are going to see how to upload documents online for CAQ. This is the new system that recently Quebec government has launched, and now we don't have to send any physical courier to Quebec for a CAQ application. You can definitely upload your document online through this portal. This is ARIMA portal, which was previously available for immigration, and now it is used by students as well. The link for this website is in description, so you can click on that and you can directly get directed towards the link. Now this is the screen which you will be able to see. Now before you go with this step, you have to create your online application for CAQ, and all the steps I have explained in my previous video. Link of that video is in the description below. You can click on that and go through. Now for this, as I mentioned earlier, that you have to go through ARIMA portal. So as on screen you can see how it will look, and clicking on further process you will find this kind of window and this kind of form. You have to agree the terms and condition and you have to proceed. I would suggest that you open this particular link in Google Chrome browser only, because as this website is in French only, so it will be better if you are translating it in English. So you can translate it through Google Chrome and you can proceed with the application easily. So here I'm going to show you all the steps what you have to do, so you can go through what I'm clicking on. Like the details which you are mentioning, like your first name, second name, whatever you are and your family name, that everything should be as per the CAQ application that you have done previously. So it should be completely matching, no discrepancy should be there, and then you have to proceed with the application. Now here the first step is to create your profile, so that is what I'm doing. As I mentioned, that you have to mention all the details as per your CAQ application that you have done previously. So you have to follow that and create your profile. Now your profile has been already created, but you have to make sure that you have mentioned all the details, important details like your contact number, your name and your mailing address as per the CAQ application that you have done previously. Now while you are creating this profile, you will be getting a verification window whereby you have to verify the code through your email address. So you have to follow that instructions as well. So now you have to log into your account for the further procedure. So here I am doing so. Once you log in, you'll find a screen which will be asking you with fields like my folder. So here you have to click on that folder and you have to go to second step, which is for student especially. So on that you have to click. You'll get this kind of a window and you have to fill the details. They will be asking few informations which you have to mention correctly. On the first column you have to mention that you are going for a student visa purpose. and then mention other details as asked. Now here you have to write the file number. This file number is in the CAQ application which you have done already online previously. From that you will extract that and you have to mention the same file number over here. Then and then only you will be able to proceed and you will be able to upload the documents. The documents which you will be uploading over here will be from the checklist that has been already generated through your previous application. And all those documents in the checklist, those 4 documents preferably you have to attach over here. Now as this is a dummy profile, I'm not able to show you the exact things, but yes, I have extracted few part of a video, official video, and that you'll be able to see over here. So your window will look like this, and here you have to click on the document section, uploading a document. So here clicking on that, they'll show you the options which document you want to submit, and you can easily drag or you can open it also. And you have to mention this preferably includes your LOA, your fee receipt, your declaration of CAQ which you have done previously, and your passport. Passport preferably first page and last page you have to attach over here. Once you attach all the documents, you have to submit them. After submitting, you'll find such kind of screen where your confirmation will come. You have to click on OK and proceed. So after submission, you'll be able to see a different kind of a window which will show the documents that you have already submitted, and then you have to complete certain formalities. Like here you can see which documents you have already submitted, and then you have to put your signature. This will be electronic signature, and after putting your signature, after mentioning the place from where you are applying, you have to submit the application. Now on top right corner you'll be finding that you have one message in your inbox. You can just click on that. Now this message is the confirmation that you have submitted all the documents, and you can again go to my documents and check the submitted documents.